This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Spacious one level home with a great open floor plan. Nice living room with a wood burning fireplace, dining room with a slider out to a patio, fire pit, garden area and fully fenced yard. Large kitchen with lots of room for the chef and the family. Master suite with a full bath including a walk-in shower. Huge corner lot including 2 parcels totaling .23 acres. Room for RV, shop or a great yard for the kids and pets to play. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.